to my channel. My name is Mrs. Ashley. I'm a body positive and self-love advocate. I do inside the dressing room type of videos usually, and I hope you like this one. This is not inside the dressing room, but it is inside basically my closet. I'm getting ready for the springtime and summertime, and so I decided to go to Boohoo. I have done a Boohoo unboxing before, so since I did have other items in my Boohoo, I tried to do this footage when it got in. However, it didn't work out the way I planned, so I hope you still stick around for this Boohoo haul. I actually am searching for swimwear. If you did not see my Walmart inside the dressing room at Walmart for swimwear, I'll have that video linked up there. And yeah, so I bought 3 different types of bikinis. However, this is definitely stepping out of my comfort zone because I wanted to basically have more love for my body, because I've been in the gutter, in the down, in the dark place, and I need to reflect on my body and why I love my body right now, and what I could do to basically change my mood about my body, and that is embracing all the flaws that I have. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm not going to be just doing the bikini solely on my body. I will be pairing it with the Stitch Fix kimono that I got in my Stitch Fix box unboxing. If you have not seen that video, I will definitely link that below. Let me know if you've seen those videos and if you like them. Yeah, so let's get into the try on haul part of this video. So, what I got in this time on my Boohoo is a white bikini, and these are all bikinis because I wanted, like, again, to step out of my comfort zone. This is the bottoms, and everything that I got is in a UK, oh, well, it says UK 20, USA 16. I believe I checked the 2X. I will definitely link that in the description box as well to let you know exactly the size that I got. This is the bottoms to this set right here, which is really, really cute. It is the plus crinkle bow bandeau high waist bikini in the color white. So this is the top right here. So what I like about this is definitely the top made this look right here. So I love the faux I guess bow in the front. It's really, you know, you could slide each way, which is really cool for me because my breasts are not the same size at all, and right now I feel that it does give me some type of coverage and some type of flow to the look, so I'm not mad at it at all. The bottoms, I was really scared because I'm not a type of person to pick high-waisted like bikini bottoms. I usually pick like the booty shorts or the hipsters, because I do have a large apron, the muffin top, whatever you want to call it. That pudge right there is definitely going to be showing out the sides right here, but let's try this on. The first set, like I said, I'm going to keep the kimono on. I am wearing the bottoms here. So this is what this looks like. It's very, you could adjust this either way so it falls just how you like it. It clips in the back so you don't have to deal with any ties or anything like that. I love that feature where it clasps in the back instead. So okay, so I know not the best learning how to love myself, but definitely this is a harder one to love, but The bottoms are super comfy actually. Holds up nicely if I wear them on the hips. Now, the wrong thing about that is the apron part. So I always have to wear them lower than usual. So that's an issue. So maybe I'll just pair the top with a nice swim trunks or a hipster or whatever, whatnot, or, you know, pair them mismatching with some other pair of bikini bottoms. I think that would look cute with this. But yeah, overall, it's a good swimwear if you do not have an apron. If you're just a little bit bigger and you could pull off the bikini high waist, then go for it. It's just not gonna work out for me, particularly solely. I do probably would still need like a cover up or something like that to make me feel a little bit more confident. But the outfit and the top is cute. The next item that I have for you guys is this rust color. It is so cute. This is the top, obviously, the top to them, and this is the plus rib high leg bikini set in rust. This is in the size 22, so we'll have to see why. Yeah, I did get it in a size 22 UK and USA 18, I believe, because since I think I was thinking when I was looking at it on the model, I was thinking that maybe it will give me more room in the bottom area. Bottoms is this cute bottom here. It has the 3 buttons on the bottom. It is, you know, high, again, that bikini, you know, set area. So I thought when I looked on the model, she looked real cute. So I said, well, I'm going to give it a try. And I think I sized up depending on that, on what the model looked like. So yeah, so this is a cute little outfit. So like, I really like the color. I really like the detail. It's got like this stripes. It's kind of like corduroy feeling. But it's not corduroy. It's kind of different. I would definitely wear this top on its own and make it into a look. But it's just a plus that it is a swimwear item, so that if I'm like at a picnic or something, I don't have to really change all that much to be ready for swimming. But this, again, also I could use this as like if I'm working out or anything like that. It's just a good piece. So we'll see how this looks, and let's go try that on. I think it would be like a rusty red shade. I love the button detail. It's really cute. It kind of reminds me of like just a sporty sports bra, and I'm really down with that look. So the detail on this is really cute. If I wear it right here and don't mind the midsection right here, you got this 3 buttons right here, and then it's like it covers the butt area generously. I feel covered in that sense. So this one, I didn't need the kimono because I feel confident enough in this, and in the butt area I feel like it's not gonna like come down or anything like that. So yes, so this is a cute bikini set for me. I am definitely gonna keep both of these. So I like the button detailing on this. I did size up on this outfit, so it's definitely giving more than enough room. Yeah, I am loving this bikini set right now. This next one is definitely my favorite of all the bikinis because I think it's more my taste, and I really wanted something that was more covering and wanted to see what they had. So I found this number right here. It is the plus scallop edge haltered neck bikini in black. So, and they also do on the site have mix and match available as well. So it's just this basic black scallop detail on the side, and I got this a 22. So it has that scalloped detailing right there, which I love halter tops. When I was in high school, my mom, when I was skinny and, you know, working it, my mom used to get me all types of halter tops because I have basically no boobs, and she was always dress me up in a halter top because it fit my figure on the top. So I figured I'd go back to my old school ways and see if I still like halter tops in a bikini. And the pants with these ones are also scalloped here on the waist part, and as well as the legs, which I thought was super cute. And it's also got more coverage, as you can tell, than the rest of the bikini set. So this is like basically more up my alley. So we'll go and try these bad boys on. Okay, so this is my favorite out of all of the swimsuits because of the fact that it is a high-rise bikini, and now I know that this is the best for my body type. I love the halter detail, taking me back to my high school years where my mom always put me in a halter top, and I gotta say, I love the halter top. I love the scallop detail. I could wear it up here, or I could pull it down for my liking, and I think I like that option a lot. It does have cups in here that, you know, move around, but I mean, it doesn't give any type of support, and it doesn't really define the look of it. So you can pull it down or up if you want to, depending on your preference. I do have smaller boobs, keep that in mind. If you are bigger chested than me, then you might fill out this part, and it may differ on your body type. So I like this detailing. Of course, it is pulling a little bit. I mean, you can't really see the scallop detail so much on the top, but on the bottoms you can. So, or on the the leg part, you can see the scallop detail, and you can see the scallop detail on the booty, which is cute. You can see it right here, and overall I just think it looks super flattering on my body type. And yeah, so it covers up high, and it keeps everything in, but yet shows a little skin, which I am down for. This is my favorite out of all the pieces. This is definitely my favorite. It covers more booty, as you can tell right there. Yeah, so this is my favorite out of everything. And reflect on the bikinis and my search for my favorite swimwear item. I'm probably gonna haul some more swimwear because the hubby likes to go fishing. Therefore, we gotta go to more beaches and more rivers, and that means more swimming and more tanning and getting darker and everything like that. I hope you guys liked it. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. If you like, I'm gonna start a series, and it's gonna, I know it's just a basically a haul for whatever I get. But you're in front, I mean, I'm in front of my closet right now. Yeah. So I'm gonna call this inside my closet, and you guys get to look at it and let me sound off in the comments below what you guys want me to shop for. Right now I have a bunch of legging stuff that I want to show you guys. I want to style some more, get some more Stitch Fix. You guys know that I'm doing that. If you didn't know, every other month or every 2 months, I think. I've listed it in my video. So if you didn't already, please subscribe if you want to be part of the fam, and hit that notification bell button, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Like always, stay super sweet.